Are you tired of trading your time for money? Stuck in that job that drains you, but you don't know how to break free? What if I told you that you could build a profitable online business in just few hours, with no tech skills needed, and work only 2 hours a day? Let me show you how. If you are like most people, you are probably tired of the 9-to-5 job, but feel stuck because you don't have the time, tech or skills, or know how to start an online business from scratch. That's exactly the problem I solve. I help busy people just like you create and grow a successful online business with a simple, ready-made system. The best part, you can have it set up in just a few hours. And after that, it's only take about 2 hours a day to keep it running. You will go from feeling overwhelmed and stuck to having a business that gives you financial freedom, more time with your family, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Imagine waking up and not just having the rush to your job that you hate. Instead, you are building something that's yours, with the freedom to travel, spend time with your loved ones, and never stressed about waiting for the next paycheck. Why does this matter? Because life is too short to be stuck in a job you don't love. The transformation I offer gives you freedom, flexibility, and financial independence. If you're ready to take control of your future and want to learn more, type "I am ready" in the comments and I'll send you all the details. I will share the exact blueprint I've used to create financial freedom and how you can get started today.